Hi everybody, I'm coming to you today. This is the second video I'm filming today, but you will see them days apart. I want to show you what I'm working on. So years ago, I made this. This is a design by Bird in the Hand Primitives. So here is the pattern picture here. And each time I make them, because I've made multiples before and sold them, this is the one I've kept for myself. So each time I make them, they're a little bit different. So last night I made the bunnies and then I put them in the oven at 300. Well, first I dunked them in coffee. And then actually I brushed coffee on them, didn't dunk them. And then I put them in the oven at 300 degrees and I set the timer for 30 minutes. And then I laid in bed and started reading on my Kindle. Well, the alarm went off, the timer, and I pulled them out and they're a little bit well done, don't you think? But maybe you like them like this. They're kind of extreme primitive. So I've got 6 of them and they all came out very well done. But it's okay because they're primitive. So that is the bunny part, which for my taste, I would like them grungy, but not so extreme like that. But this one is mine. And somebody that likes them like this will buy these. So now I had to make the pockets. I'm not going to put the words on the ones I'm selling. So here are the pennies. I've just got finished stitching all the pennies. So I just had a Ziploc bag, a sandwich bag full of already cut pennies. And so I just used what I had. I tried to keep them all kind of muted tones. So those are the 6. And now it's time to sew these together. Right side out, right side in like that, and then turn them, and then they will get a coffee bath. So I will get back to you after that part is done. First thing I'm doing is I have 6 of these bunnies and I'm going to be finishing these up. So I've got the rabbit, and then in here I have fiberfill. This is the Bird in the Hand Primitives pattern. So I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue in here. And I have to bunch this up. So you can see there how I bunched it. Just going to go all the way around and do that. Done. Now I've got cheesecloth here that I coffee stained. Let's see how long I need this to be. Not that long. All right, so that goes. Now I'm putting the cheesecloth around here. Cheesecloth has been coffee stained. Put that around there. Tie it in a knot. And there is that one. So I still have to add some more stuff to it later. Okay, now let's see. I need to put wire on them. So this is the next step, to put the wire on. What I'm going to do is this is wool felt, by the way. I'm just going to poke it right through. About a 1/4 inch down. Put a couple curls in it to keep it coming back out. And then I'm just going to bend it like that for hanging. put it through the other side. I'm trying to go through multiple layers here. Working. There we go. I was trying to go through too many layers. Say hello in the chat if you're here watching. Let me know you're here. All right. So when it's hanging up, that'll stay, but there it is. Okay, so this is a bag of rusty stuff. I have all different size bells and different things in here. All right, so I have rusty safety pins. I'm going to use, not sure how big I want to go here. You have to be careful with these because sometimes they're a little too rusted and then they just break and fall apart. All right, so I'm going to put that on there. And then right where this little knot is, I'm going to put that. And there, that one is done. There it is. All right, great. Bunnies are done. There's 3 of them. Right there. Let's see if I can move it so you can see better. There they are. That's 3 of them. The other 3 are over here on the side. So they are completely finished. All right.